Hi guys, Matt Edwards here. Now I'm going to show you a Hideout, which is a 25 RDS. It's a great little budget trailer. We've got this one special priced right now. It weighs about 6,700 pounds, so a heavy half-ton can haul it, as well as a 3/4 ton or a 1 ton, of course. You've got a big awning that comes across out there with the lights. You've got your pass-through storage. This one does come with a Blackstone griddle over here. We've got a power tongue jack. This will come with the smaller bottles. We've got a brand new battery up here for you. And this has got a lot of cool features on it. Like it's got the power tongue jack that goes up and down, which makes it easier to be able to level through here. You've also got electronic stabilizers that come down, so you don't have to crank those down. You just have a button to push those all down. You've got also a tankless hot water heater again. You know, as technology starts to change, we're able to put these on these trailers and still keep the cost down under $34,000. You've got your fresh water, City Connect right through here, and your black tank flush all together. That way you can take care of all your water. You've got your outside shower, along with your black tank and gray tank sewers right here. Easy to get to, easy to handle, easy to come out. We've got a big power slide over here. Your 30 amp trailer, so your cord just comes out like that. Got your spare tire in the back. We are pre-wired for a camera if you want to add a camera. We've either got the 5-inch or the 7 inches available in our parts department. It's a walk-along roof, and it's also coming out with the new Lippert ladder system. Now these are for people that want a ladder, people that don't want a ladder. It's really easy. It clips on there, it comes right down. We have these in service right now, so we're able to show them to you if you'd like to put one on it. Walking around the other side, we've got 2 different doors on this trailer. Back door and a front door. We've got our outside speakers with lights. We've got our hookups over here for TV if we want to run one outside. And we've got a pretty decent size Everchill in here. That way it keeps the water cold and your beverages and drinks. Let's go on the inside. Welcome to the inside of the 22 Hideout. It's the 25 RDS. When you walk in off the bat, you notice there's a lot of room in here. You've got your couch over here that pulls out to a bed. You've got tons of prep room over here in the kitchen area, along with a vacuum cleaner. There's a vacuum cleaner down there. All you do is sweep it up. You've got a horseshoe dinette with storage above over there and storage below. Plus this will make out to a bed, so you could actually put probably 4 people up here if you needed to. You've got a spot right over here to put your TV set. Lots of counter space and big, deep cabinets. You can carry a lot of food right through there. You got your 3-burner stove with oven. Got your microwave right above up here. Of course, you got your vent up here with light and fan. These will close down for more room. Just again, make sure they're cooled off. A little switch right there, turn the lights on. We've got our vacuum cleaner right there, central vac. Drawers, and more drawers. Molded countertop that comes all the way around. Farm style sink. And again, lots of cabinets up here, lots of room with lights on the inside so you can see what's up there. Isn't that bright and clean? Looks nice. That'd be a great place right over there for your coffee maker. On this side over here, we've got some more storage. Open up, and we've got a bigger refrigerator. 12-volt refrigerator, all electric. No more gas refrigerators. Got our AC right up through here. 12-volt plug. Get that. Okay. All right, so let's go toward the back. Before we go back there though, here is your controls for your tankless hot water heater as well as your air conditioning. Now it is a walk-through bathroom, but it's got a lot of room in here. You can shut that door over there, keep this door open for changing. You've got a nice vanity area over here with a GFI plug, plenty of storage. Big storage in here for your towels and all your supplies. Got your fan up here. Nice big shower. And then your porcelain toilet right there with plenty of room to sit on. Coming back to the bedroom, we've got a queen bed. We've got storage on both sides over here. We've got a door through here. More storage down here. Right there is your sink covers for the sink, and then your vacuum cleaner hoses. And here's nice because you can put baskets to be able to put your socks, shoes, whatever you need to put up in there. So there you have it. This is a 22 Hideout 25 RDS. It does have some slight hail damage on it. We have it priced right now at $33,477. We've got one more left in stock. This could be yours. Let us know. Give us a holler. Call us at any time. I'm Matt Edwards with United RV. God bless.